Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valério and I'm. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress Maintenance team here at Valet. It has been announced that the Classic Editor plugin that allows WordPress website users to bypass the new editing experience will reach end of life in December 2021. This means that the plugin will no longer support bypassing the block editor in favor of the whole style "what you see is what you get." If you still use the classic editor, we can help you transition to the new experience, offering videos, tutorials and theme advice. Drop us an email at hello@valet.io. On the security note, please make sure you have the latest version of Paid Memberships Pro and Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode page plugins, and also WP courses. That's it for this week. Have a wonderful weekend.